Django, mocking the save method on a model. I'm still here with my beginner questions about Django unit tests. I'm trying to test that the save function of a model was called, without actually call the save. Here is the method I want to test. Here is the test. The first test, usermock.objects.create_user.assert_called_with, is okay, but for the second, I always end up having assertion error. False is not true.
After some more Googling, I found something that works. So, the trick was to use at mock.patch.object.